We're the pilot boat right next to us. And welcome to Corfu. Way out there is this little tiny island with a hole in the middle of it. Great magnification on my camcorder. You can see, look, this is how far out it is. And I was able to zoom in on it. Here's this shuttle bus that takes us to the entrance of the port, then we have to take a Viking bus. Good morning in Greek is Kalimara, which I should remember because it sounds like calamari. I am not taking the Corfu excursion, the included one or any optional ones, because once again I have to keep repeating it at every port. I have been in every single port on this cruise, so I'm just going to walk around downtown Corfu. And I ask you to look back at the end of what I'm talking about right now, or what I see today. Look back on my last Corfu video when I think I did a better job of telling you what's there. The excursion buses. It's like a 5-minute bus ride through the main terminal, and then you hop onto the Viking shuttle bus. And we are off to town. They said it's about a 10-minute ride. Deja vu, it's just like yesterday that we were here, Sonny and I. He's gonna park in front of the fort. Jackhammers on the street. School. Oh, very yummy. You know, I'm in Greece, all the different kinds of baklava, which I dearly love. Very yum. The Olive House, absolutely. You just walk and walk. Oh, I have a gold ring from La Lunas that Sonny bought for me on my Greek cruise, which was 1979. Chip, I know your cruise with will be over by the time you see this, but I hope you had a great, great time. Pandora. The little streets in all directions are absolutely lined with everything. A store carrying La Lunas. When our grandchildren were very small, we would bring the girls little dolls from every place we traveled. Each one of them must have a caseload of dolls now. Everything ward off evil. I was just informed that the evil eye began in Greece, not in the Arabic countries like I've seen everywhere. The belief in the eye dates back almost 3,000 years. The blue color in the eye symbolizes the sea and the sky. That is where the eye banishes evil for your protection. In one shop, they told me their beautiful goods come from Paris. Beautiful, beautiful pottery here, all made in Greece, handmade, but dishwasher, microwave. Love all the cups. I am going to buy one of these. Looks pretty darn good to me. This one has walnuts in it. Wonder how much those earrings are. Take a look at these gelatos. I'm sincerely not hungry, but mango, oh, is that vanilla from Madagascar? Look at that hunk of salted caramel. Santa Claus, season is over. Fast Fairy Tale Mania. All the fairylands are right there. And we leave Corfu for Katakalon, which is the gateway to Olympia, the original Olympic fields. Once again, I'm going to bypass my excursion tomorrow. If you can believe it, Sonny and I ran the Olympic field in 1979. Here's our pilot boat escorting us out. You can see the ruins of the old fortress and the Venetian castle way out there. There's some sort of church on top of this one.